Right, Jace?
Are we off?
Yeah, nice looking van this.
Are we rolling?
Yeah, we're rolling now.
We're going?
Yeah.
A bit windy, isn't it?
It's a bit breezy. Gusty.
It is.
It's a gusty.
Yeah. The clouds are wallowing in the sky.
And we've got a blue sky, and we've got a misty blue too.
Misty blue too. Look. And it's a Vogue.
Yeah, misty blue too. I think that's what somebody's named it.
Yeah, I think, because I've been thinking, they probably had another motorhome called Misty Blue.
Yeah.
And this is Misty Blue too.
Yeah.
See? And the decals, I think, are a misty type of blue. Aren't they?
It's some rubbish, you know, you.
Right.
Do you lie in bed at night thinking about these things to say?
No, Kevin. And with cloudy white.
Yeah.
You see, it's a good looking van, this is, Kevin.
Isn't it? Yeah. Nice 16-inch alloys.
Awning.
Yep. Too late awning.
And it's a 2000 and...
It's got, haven't you?
18. It's a Swift Vogue 664, so it is a deal special.
Yeah.
It's a good looking thing, this is. Let's have a quick nosy round.
I quite like the colour.
Cab.
Yeah, I like the colour of the cab. It makes a change from Swift, doesn't it?
What colour would you say?
Graphite.
Greystoke grey.
Greystoke.
Yeah. It is.
This is a nice one.
2.3 multi-jet, 130 brake horsepower.
Plenty of grunt.
Yeah. Just have a quick nosy down there. There's our freshwater drain off. What's that there, Kev?
That's electronic, that.
Electronic.
From inside.
Yep. Fresh
you
water.
don't have to come out in the rain.
No.
Mind you, why would you want to be emptying your fresh water anyway? It's frustrating.
You wouldn't, would you?
No.
So, tinted windows. We've got the cassette toilets on the back.
Miss this one. What's that one then?
That's the waste cab.
Yeah. What's also with that?
That's also electronic as well.
Electronic.
See?
Push of a button, empty waste.
I wouldn't see that because it's lower down.
I can.
Provisions for a bike rack.
Twin camera.
Is this your new website?
Mounted.com. Yeah. Sober?
Yeah. It's a nice looking thing, Kevin, isn't it?
Cheers.
I think it's just over 6.5 metres.
Yeah. I think 6.7.
Well, you would because you've looked on the sheet.
Well, I haven't.
Right, come on, inside.
What about the fresh water and wastewater?
He hasn't put it on.
Has he?
No, he's not put it on, so we're going to have to...
I'd have said it was about 70 fresh and 68 waste.
Yeah, he has put that on, Kev, but he's also put a question mark on it as well.
Right.
See the question mark next to him?
Right.
So, alright, let's tell you a bit about it. It's a 2018, it's actually a Swift Escape, but the Vogue is the deal special 664. It's a 4-berth, 4 belted seats. Miles per gallon, Kev. These are a new one.
Put
one on, you? Miles per gallon.
But you can't really say that because it depends under what conditions. You could have a headwind. Yeah. You could be going up a hill.
Anyway, he's put 28 to 32.
Approximate.
That's what he's done. Yeah. 10,000 miles, 2018. 52s up to 55k, these are probably worth. Twin reversing camera, parking sensors, solar. So it's got all the kit on it. Media pack, sat nav, Bluetooth, hands free, hab door fly screen.
I shall demonstrate.
13-pin tow bar, provisions for a bike rack, full service history, 3,500 kilograms, so you can drive this on a normal license. Okay, Clever Clogs, payload.
665, something like that.
Just have a pan around this van, Kev. It's a nice looking van, this is.
Yeah, and have you noticed they've gone for the curves? Yeah, Swift seems to have gone for that now.
Yeah.
Nice little landing.
It gives it that stylish look though, doesn't it?
Little landing shelf there, two power points there.
Yeah.
TV bracket there.
Lockers above.
Yeah.
I tell you what, it flows well.
Yeah.
It's got good flow.
One thing I've noticed, Jason, it's only got blinds on the windscreen, not on the side windows.
Oh.
So there's your sticky on ones up there.
quick look at the cab then.
Yep.
What's that?
Automatic.
Automatic.
Comformatic.
So, cruise control, media pack, like we said, aircon.
That's heating. Isn't
That's it. Heating. That's steering wheel. Yeah. Auto. We never mentioned that, did we?
No, and I like the upholstery.
Yeah.
That's not your standard Swift upholstery, if you notice.
And they've got put the Vogue in so you remember which van it is.
Yeah.
As well.
Yeah.
So
I can't reach this table. Look.
you can't reach your cab.
No.
Let me just show you.
Look, if I'm sat here, I can't. Look, there's the seat. There's the table.
Watch. I made this early cab because I knew you'd have this problem. There you go. How's that?
I can lean on it now. Yeah. Carry on.
And I'm even going to show you how easy it is to make this bed up.
You must have done it before.
No, I've not tried before, Kev. So this is the first attempt. Right, so I assume this has got to go up, hasn't it?
Yeah, if you believe this.
Oh, what's that? Put that in there like so. Take this out like so.
Shall I assist you?
If you would, please. That goes in, swivel around like that. I'm getting good at these, Kev, aren't I?
Yeah, I wonder why.
Move that around there. I'll drop that there. Now, when we're making these up now, right, just to answer some of the comments, if we was sleeping on them properly, we wouldn't sleep that way, would we?
No.
We'd turn this over.
So you get a nice flat.
So you're getting a nice flat surface.
Yeah.
I'm missing some colour. Oh, there they are, Kev.
Oh, I wonder how they are.
Let's go cushion in there. We've got a couple of the little cushions as well, haven't we?
Yeah.
Well,
yeah, there's a couple of small ones just to make it a bit tighter.
So you get the drift anyway.
Yeah.
Actually, this will go in there.
Yep.
And then that slots, the other little cushion as well, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Slots in the gap there.
Yeah.
So, see how easy that was, eh, Kev?
Yeah, simple.
After the 9th attempt. So yeah, as you can see on a lot of them, they're all a flat surface, aren't they?
Yeah.
I'll tell you what I'm liking as well. Come round.
Yeah. Same on this side as well.
Could you just assist me there, Kev?
I'll assist you.
Thank you, Kev.
I'll multitask.
Oh.
I shall hold the camera and assist at the same time.
Hang on, just let me break this table.
I usually break things.
That down, that back up there, that drops that. So quite easy to make up, just one thing.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's nice that, isn't it?
Yeah.
Blinds, ice screen, got that the wrong way around, don't I?
Yeah. You always do.
Your windows are on your click-clacks. So I haven't done a click-clack for ages, Kev.
Yeah. You click-clacked out, are you?
There.
You
there. And then all the way back down. Just put one in. Like so. There you go.
Nice reading light as well above you.
Yeah.
Interrogation lamp. Yeah.
Yeah, one on the other side as well. Skylight above with the materialistic surround.
Yeah, I like the black shading around it as well.
Also camera.
Reverse camera, yeah.
Yeah.
Twin camera even.
So again, nice modern feel about it, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Just a quick turn around there, Kev.
LED lighting above.
There's your waste, there's your fresh water empties, Truma heating system and hot water, and there's your control panel. Quite straightforward.
Yeah, you can have the iNet on that Truma as well, can't you?
Aye.
Aye.
And then moving on to the centre kitchen. So, what have we got? That's big enough, isn't it?
What's that up there?
That, Kev, is a solar panel regulator because there's a solar panel on the roof. 2 power points?
Yep.
Was there any power points down here? Oh, there, Kev.
There for the TV, yeah.
Yeah, and you got your aerial as well. 3 burner. I don't think you really sometimes do. What are you doing?
I'll just notice these little lights on there, look. Separate little lights. Same on the other side. Oh, there's only one on the other side. I think they've only put one there because you'd have your telly there and you don't want a light shining on your telly. Nice touch, isn't it?
Oh, they could have done with one switch though, couldn't they?
Yeah, true.
So 2. Right, 3 burner up, as I was saying before you wandered off into the abyss. 3's always plenty, isn't it?
I think so, yeah.
Combined grill oven.
Yeah.
And then we have again, I think it's soft close, Kev?
No.
Yeah.
There's all your gas isolation and all down there.
Okay. Nice tap.
Well, you like your tap.
I like the tap.
Got a fetish for taps.
And then we've got our 3-way fridge.
Yeah.
Just moving over, look what I've noticed here. USB points. So another power point. Again, more sort of storage. That's where you can put your cans, Kev.
You could, yeah.
Stack all them up. And then we've got a wardrobe.
Wardrobe, got your booster for your what's that other thing there?
That, Kev's a digital TV signal finder.
Oh.
See, I need these things.
See, they have put loads of extra kit on, haven't they? Winter covers for your fridge there as well.
Yeah, and then there's your TV aerial as well. Yep. And I have noticed something else, Kev. Extractor fan.
Extractor.
Yep. Now, moving to the back, we have the French bed. Another little touch we have got. Separation.
And if you've got a dog, the dog can come on the
Oh, you can?
Yeah. Join you in bed. Well, our cat used to join us.
Oh, done that. Right, again, nice. I like that. Yeah. It's like, it feels like it's fitted, like a fitted bathroom.
Yeah, I like the light.
Fitted bedroom, doesn't it?
The ambient lighting above.
Yeah. And then, go on.
Yeah.
You got some more your little switchy lights here, Kev.
Oh, right.
One there. And then you've got your heating system underneath. And also
storage, which you can access from outside.
Yeah.
Well thought out then.
Combined or separate?
Combined.
You're not going to be wrong actually, because it's a bit of both.
Swift don't do separate, do they?
So I'm just going to move into the... It's a good size, isn't it?
It is a good size actually, yeah.
Happy? Yeah, we're getting little sinks, Kev. We like little sinks, don't we, in bathrooms? Yeah.
I mean, what you do is...
Nice tap.
You basically clean your teeth with a bit of a swill, don't you?
Like that.
Yeah. Halo shower.
And then cassette toilet. Another nice touch again.
Yeah, double celery. I like the lighting in this.
What, in here or...
That's a nice little touch as well. You've got a little bin.
Oh yeah.
Don't see that often in a motor roof.
No. So there we have it. The Swift 664. It's a classy little motorhome. Classy one. It's not a little motorhome, is it? It's quite a big motorhome. Classy little classy motorhome. What would you think it'll suit?
I go for a couple, really.
I go for couple or with one child.
Yeah.
Because really, okay, I know we're classing it as a double, or it's a good size single.
Yeah, but
so like that, good size single.
Yeah. With having your, with having to make your bed up here, obviously you haven't got another lounge area because you've got your fixed bed. Yeah. So I'd go more for a couple.
Yeah, but we don't need to rule it out because it is a full berth.
Well, a couple who take the grandkid away for weekends. 2-3 nights, something like that.
Yeah, we'll go for that. It's a classy van, this is, you know.
Well, you get people touring with 2 kids in a VW campervan for 2-3 weeks at a time, don't you? So
there you go. Just because you don't do it, Kev, doesn't stop other people from doing it, does it?
No.
We generally categorise everybody.
Listen, grandchildren are great, mate. If I knew they were so much fun, I'd have had them first. That's right. You can give them back at the end of the day.
Anyway, nice. It's a classy van.
Yeah.
It's got good flow to it. Nice flow to it. I think you're right. It's a couple. It's a couple's van. I'm quite comfy sitting here. I am. I'm quite happy.
That's what you do on any of these videos. You're always sat in that seat. I'm the one that has to stand up all the time with a camera. Getting repetitive strain holding this camera. You know.
No, you give me repetitive earache, Cam. Repetitive. So that ninja caught it.
You didn't. You missed it.
Ninja. Anyway,
I'll have to have a bit of what.
Enjoyed the video, like, subscribe. Good vibes about this van. Nice van. Swift Vogue 664. Done.
Yeah. Cup of tea.
Yeah. Come.
Dinner time, I think, anyway, isn't it?
Is it?
It's got to be.